said James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Ever give Jammer knows his name. They swear he got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18-wheel. Oh boy, he left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Mount Eagle in a driving rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down the grade when he lost a gear. He hit them brakes, found he had no air. The Mount Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen him thought the bandit was gone. Awesome. Well, his truck jackknife turned completely around. He was coming down backwards, about the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen him, and they all say he had his head out to Windy Hill and clear the way. Well, he got to the bottom, safe and sound. Everybody asked Bandit how he made it down. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, I just ran along beside it and drug my feet. You heard the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Every gear jammer knows his name. They swear he's got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's going up to glory riding 18-wheel. Oh, tell me, boy. Talk to me, guitar.
Egotistical son of a bitch.
Any guy that would paint his truck like this would go to a minister's funeral dressed in feathers.
See, son? Old legends never die. They just lose weight.
Like a legend and an out-of-work bum look a lot alike, Daddy.
Bandit, me and my son are here.
Oh, I love your suits. It must be a bitch getting a size 68 extra fat and a 12 dwarf.
I came to make a deal. What's he get if he wins this truck rodeo thing?
If?
$5,000, Daddy.
Chicken shit money.
Just what the hell you want anyway?
You to get out of this dumbass rodeo and accept a real challenge.
Now get the Texarkana and back in 28 hours. That's no problem.
It ain't never been done before, hot shit.
Watch your language, little lady. The problem is that Coors beer, you take that east of Texas, and that's bootlegging.
You know, I believe you're just a little bit scared.
That's great psychology. Why don't you just say something bad about my mother?
Your mama is so ugly.
Look, you make this run for me. Now, these Peterbilts here are worth $80,000. That comes to about $3 grand an hour if you make it 28 hours. How about that for a challenge?
Dad, I don't believe that that's necessary.
Never mind.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why do you want that beer so bad?
Because he's thirsty, dummy.
You see, I got a boy running tomorrow in the Southern Classic, and when he wins, I want to celebrate in style.
How much style?
Well, I got a few friends and me, 400 cases. Well?
Well, let me see your cash.
Big Enos's word is gold. All right, show him the cash. Go ahead, little.
Shit.
Well, I see there's 400 cases of beer. I'll need the cash for that.
No problem. Go ahead, boy.
New car. I gotta have a new car to block for the truck, you know?
Okay, go ahead, boy.
I'd like to kick his ass just once.
Speedy car. Speedier than that.
Go ahead.
Breaker one, this is the bandit, it's a snowman out there. Am I hitting you, son?
Mercy sakes, you put about 8.5 on me. Blowing the windows down, bring it on.
I'll be within earshot. You keep it wound up to around 90, get more.
Hey, Bandit, me and Fred's got a question.
What do you and Fred want?
How come we doing this?
Well, why not?
Well, they said it couldn't be done.
Well, that's the reason, son.
That's good with Fred. We're clear.
And four.
Westbound and down. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch a bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, some never mind their brakes. Let it all ring out, boys, we gotta run to me. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Westbound and down, 18-wheel rolling. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch a bandit run. Old Smokey's got them ears on. He's not on your trail, and he ain't gonna rest when you're in jail. So you got the doctor, you got the ducky, you gotta keep that diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and give it hell.
Well, hello there, Smokey.
Westbound and down, 18-wheel rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch a bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, some never mind their brakes. Let it all ring out, boys, we gotta run to me. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Westbound and down, 18-wheel rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch a bandit run.
Fred, I hope me and you ain't let Bandit talk us into something we gonna be sorry for, son. Cause he's about as crazy as you are ugly.
How we doing, son? Come on back.
Hang on just a minute and I'll tell you. Looks like we're about 28 minutes ahead of schedule. Come back.
I hate to say I told you so.
Well, now don't lose your head, son. We still got a lot of boogieing to do.
Now put the pedal to the metal. I'm 10-10 on the side.
For sure, for sure. Me and Fred here, we got your back door, ain't we, Fred?
Sorry, I don't want to get married.
Terrific. That makes two of us. Will you unzip me?
Sure.
Playing with the 360.
That'll turn out good.
Nobody makes Sheriff Buford T. Justice look like a possum's becker.
Except for that.
Your ass.
Break for that bandit one. Break for that bandit one.
Yeah, Snowman, come on back.
There was a Texas bubblegum machine on your back door.
A Texas bubblegum machine?
Yeah, I saw him.
Hoss, you ain't gonna believe this, but that crazy somebody's just trying to drive right up under my truck.
What's a Texas County miner doing in Arkansas?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, who the hell knows?
I really don't know. What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law. This is Sheriff Buford T. Justice. I'm in pursuit of a black Trans Am. He's all mine, so stay out of the way. That's a big 10-4. This is Sheriff Buford T. Justice of Texas.
Texas? You know, of course, that you're out of your jurisdiction. I suggest that you let my department handle the situation.
That's very comforting, but I'm in a high-speed pursuit. Don't you hear good?
I hear perfectly. The fact that you are a sheriff is not germane to the situation.
The goddamn Germans got nothing to do with it.
What do you say?
Shut up, one shit at a time.
All right.
10-4, 10-4. I'm bringing it, son. I'm bringing it. I'm clear.
Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, we'll auto bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we gotta run the race. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch your bandit run.
I don't care if you're the governor of Texas. You're making a big mistake.
You walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door. You're not coming home. Love like wildfire. I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind. No longer my man. You're just a This place is a ghost town, dressed in moonlight. I whisper your name, can't get any sleep. Smoking cigarette after cigarette, I watch them burn until I forget we're through. Baby, tell me what to do. Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door. You're not coming home. No, stuck in a ghost town, dressed in moonlight, where I still keep the porch light on. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind. No longer my man. You're just a Love like wildfire. I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm.
This is Sheriff Buford T. Justice again. I lost that Trans Am. Set up a roadblock.
Good idea.
What the hell you know?